Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have come up with pavbhaji recipe. So let's look at the ingredients first. 2 large boiled potatoes mashed, 1 chopped tomato, 1 tablespoon chopped coriander leaves, 1 chopped green capsicum, half cup peas, 2 medium-sized chopped onions, salt for taste, 1 tablespoon red chilli powder and 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder combined, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon pavbhaji masala, you may use it of any brand, 3 tablespoon butter and 2 cups of water. Now if you don't want to add much butter in this dish, you may use combination of oil and butter. Here I am using big iron pan. If you have big tawa, then use that, or else you may use non-stick pan as well to make this bhaji. So heat a pan on medium flame and add 1 teaspoon butter into it. Butter has melted. Now add capsicum and saute till it turns soft. This has turned soft. Next, let's add peas and tomatoes. Saute till tomatoes turn soft. This has cooked well. Next, let's go ahead and add ginger garlic paste. If you want to make pav bhaji more spicy, then go ahead and add 2 green chilies, some salt. If you have added salt while boiling potatoes, then be careful while adding salt into this. Next goes in some pavbhaji masala, about 1.5 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder. Saute this till masala turns aromatic. Now it's time to add our mashed potatoes. Mix potato well with other vegetables and masala. After mixing, mash all these ingredients very well for about 3 minutes using masher. Add 2 teaspoons of butter and then mash for another 5 minutes. You can see all vegetables has mashed well. Let's transfer it to a bowl and keep it aside. In the same pan, add 1.5 tablespoon of butter. Allow it to melt. Now let's add onions and half of the chopped coriander leaves. Saute it till onions turns translucent. This has turned soft. Next, let's add rest of the red chilli powder, pavbhaji masala and some salt. Saute it for few seconds and then add mashed vegetables. Combine all the ingredients. And now let's add 1 cup of water. After adding water, mix and combine bhaji well with this water. If you want restaurant style pav bhaji, then you may add red food color into this now. Our bhaji is still little thick, so I'm going to add 1 more cup of water for perfect consistency. Mix this well and allow it to cook till bubbles starts to come up. Check for salt. Bubbles have started to come up, so our bhaji is ready. Next, we want pav to serve pav bhaji. You can buy pav from store. Here I am going to use homemade pav. You can check for pav recipe in my channel, or else you can find recipe link in the description box below as well as on top of the screen. Heat a pan and into that add 2 teaspoons of butter. Then add rest of the coriander leaves. After that, add 1/4 teaspoon of pavbhaji masala and red chilli powder. Give it a mix. pav well from all the sides for about 2 minutes. So our pav bhaji is ready to serve. Serve it with few chopped onions and a slice of lemon. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.